I'm Seth Schneider, here at GDC 2018, showing off the new release of Intel Graphics Performance Analyzers. Here at GDC, we're showing some really cool new features in Intel GPA. We're working on Fortnite and Space Pirate Trainer. So in the Fortnite booth, what we're showing is our new hotspot enabling mode. You can actually take hotspot enabling, reorder your frame, and find Intel GPU hotspots very easily. We're also taking a look at Space Pirate Trainer. Space Pirate Trainer is now released for Windows Mixed Reality, and what we've been able to do is optimize it to run at 60 frames per second on even a laptop form factor like a Surface. So here at the booth, we're showing all those optimizations, how we got from less performant to really performant, really great experiences on Intel. You can download Intel GPA for free at software.intel.com/GPA and come check us out.